tired of sending money to the wrong Wise recipient because all those names blur together on the screen? I feel that. It is so easy to accidentally pick the wrong person when you have 5 contacts named Maria or a handful of business accounts that all look identical. Well, here is the fix. You can add a custom nickname to each recipient in under 30 seconds. No more guessing, no more sending $500 to the wrong Maria. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through exactly where to click and what to type. There are only 5 simple steps, and once you are done, you will never confuse your recipients again. Sound good? Let us jump right in. First up, we need to get to your list of recipients. So go ahead and log into your Wise account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu. You are going to click on Recipients. It's usually on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Wise stores everyone you have ever sent money to. Now, this list might be long, and that is exactly why we are doing this. Seeing all those names lined up is probably what frustrated you in the first place. But do not worry, we are about to clean it up. Now that you are on the Recipients page, take a moment to scan through the list. Find the person you want to nickname. It could be a friend, a family member, a freelancer you pay regularly, whoever you want. Click on their name to open their details. Just one click. This opens up their specific recipient card, which shows their account information and any past transactions. And this is where the magic happens. So here is the step that most people miss. Look for the option that says Add Nickname. On the desktop version of Wise, you will usually find this right below the recipient's full name. It might appear as a small link or a button, depending on how your account looks. It is subtle, but it is there. Click on that. And this is the really important part. By doing this, you are telling Wise that you want to override that generic name with something that actually means something to you. You are in control now. Now, type in your nickname. This is where you get to be creative. Think about what will help you recognize this person instantly. Maybe it is mom, or landlord, or freelancer Sarah from Upwork. Avoid using sensitive info, like their full account number or something that could be a security risk. Just keep it simple and memorable. I always use something that tells me the context of the payment. Like, if I send money to a client every month for a retainer, I will type retainer client instead of their formal business name. It takes 2 seconds and saves so much headache later. All right, we are at the finish line. Once you have typed in the perfect nickname, look for the Save button. Give it a click, and that is it. You are done. Now, the next time you go to send money and you see that recipient in your list, you will see your custom nickname right there, loud and clear. No more squinting at the screen, no more accidental transfers to the wrong person. And that is really all there is to it. I know it feels like a tiny change, but in my experience, this one simple trick makes sending money on Wise so much smoother. You go from fumbling through a confusing list to instantly knowing exactly who is who. So go ahead and set up a few nicknames right now. You will thank yourself later. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.